The layer cake pans have a fill line that'll help you get even layers every time. Make sure to flour and grease your pans. Then add your batter and bake. Once your cakes are cooled, use a serrated knife to slice the domes off of each layer. Put a hand on top to keep the cake from moving while you cut. Make a frame on your decorating surface with 4 strips of parchment paper to keep it clean. Place the first cake onto the surface, cut side down. Add enough frosting to make a 1/4 inch thick layer. If your layers look a little uneven, you can use frosting to adjust or rotate them. A crumb coat will keep your finished frosting crumb-free. Start by putting a large dollop of frosting on the top of the cake and use that to spread it down the sides. The handy scraper is perfect for getting a smooth coating of frosting around the sides. Remove any extra frosting as you go. Pop the cake in the fridge for 30 minutes to let the crumb coat set. Now you're ready to decorate.